Okay, so in today's video of the week-long of ROG Phone 6 content, we're going to talk about the cases that are compatible with this phone. And cases are important if you want to use accessories like the AeroActive Cooler, because you need a very huge empty space here to make direct contact with the phone to get the best cooling performance out of this cooler. So when we buy the ROG Phone 6 Pro, the one that we're showing here is the ROG Phone 6 Pro. It comes in this box, and inside we also have an included case which is located behind here. So if we open this, then we can see it also comes with one case here. And as you can see here, the included case actually has some special texture on it. As you can see here, it's kind of like a graph paper kind of look. Then we have the estimated 2006. This is the year that ROG has been founded. Then the ROG I logo, and this is the included case itself. It's pretty simple, and I suppose that this slit here is for us to slot in some accessories, but I have yet to see any accessory that is compatible or in the market as of now. They even labeled what kind of port is located here. As you can see, audio jack, USB Type-C, and yeah, that's it. Oh, they even call you to join the Republic here. Okay, that's nice. So let's snap onto the ROG Phone 6 Pro, and there you go. I personally am not really a fan of this look because it covers most of the white color and it changes to this graph paper look. But if we turn on the ROG Vision and the Dare to Play, this is how it looks. But it also offers a lot of protection. As you can see here, it protects most of the areas of the ROG Phone 6. So the top microphone cutout is accurate, of course, and then this entire side has been left open, and that is because we have the volume rocker, power button, microphone here, and then the air triggers are also completely exposed. And for the back, we have a cutout for the Dare to Play, like what we can see here, Dare to Play. And then the ROG Vision camera cutout is very accurate. The bottom is fully exposed. So this is a very simple case, and I'm not gonna talk about it much. And then the second official case is included when we buy the AeroActive Cooler 6. So as we can see here, this box is rather huge, and inside this box it comes with, of course, the AeroActive Cooler 6 itself, and also this case. So if we look at it properly, it is pretty much similar, right? As you can see here, the design, the texture, even the quality is mostly the same. It's just the cutout in the middle part here is larger. And as you can see here, even the AeroActive 6 Cooler's case, the included case, has that graph paper look as well, just like the official included case that is inside the box. So let's snap onto the phone. This is how it looks. I really like this design better because it has a larger exposed area for me to see the frosted glass finish. Even when I'm not using the cooler, I can see a lot more of this beautiful aesthetic. So just like the official case, the top here is completely exposed for the air triggers and then the buttons as well. And then at the side here is also exposed for the USB Type-C port, and at the bottom here is also exposed for these two ports. So the reason why, of course, it's exposed so big is because of the AeroActive Cooler 6. So when we snap it on, we can see that the AeroActive 6 Cooler's wings for the buttons here has spanned out quite a large area, and it covers a very large area of the back. So if we put it on, then we can see that the entire back of this cooler here is in contact directly with the phone's glass. And one more official case from ROG is actually from this one, the Kunai 3 Gamepad. So when you buy this controller, it also comes with this case for us to snap the controller on either sides of the phone. And this case, well, as you can see here, it also has a very large cutout at the back. So let me just put it on for you to see here. And the reason why this cutout is so big is because it's actually the same cutout as the AeroActive Cooler 6 case. So we can also snap on the fan as well. And with that fan installed, we can also snap on the Kunai Gamepad as well. And this is how it looks like. It might look ridiculous because there's a fan, two controllers at the side, and it's kind of bulky, but if you wanna go for high-end emulator gaming, then yeah, you're gonna need a setup like this to keep the phone cool and also enjoy your comfort while you're playing your games. And the last official case for the ROG Phone 6 is actually this one. So this one is the Devil Case Lite Guardian anti-shock case. It is actually an accessory that you can buy for 149 ringgit. And I have not opened this case yet, so I have no idea how it looks. I'm gonna do it in real time so you are in this journey with me as well. Okay, so the entire box is heavily covered in plastic, but yeah, this is it. So as you can see here, the Devil Case Lite Guardian is real simple in terms of design. So we have a rubbery side here. This back piece here is transparent, but it's actually a piece of plastic, acrylic, I don't know, but yeah, you can hear that, right? So this case, oh, it also provides a lot of protection inside because you can see ridges as well. And let's snap it onto the ROG Phone 6 Pro, and this is how it looks. This case is unique because it offers you full protection for the phone itself, but we can still see the Dare to Play, the ROG Vision here. So this looks really nice, but if we want to snap on the fan, then it's pretty much impossible. So if you want to use the cooler, then you will either have to use this or this, because it has direct contact to the phone's back. As for the Devil Case, it looks nice, but yeah, you cannot use the fan accessory with this case. I mean, I'm really liking this aesthetic though, as you can see here. Yeah, full transparency for the back and yet full protection for the phone. So that's pretty much it in terms of the official cases that you can get for your ROG Phone 6. This one is included inside the box, but this one is for the ROG Phone 6 Pro. That's why the cutout here is for the ROG Vision at the bottom here. Yay. So do keep in mind, if you get the ROG Phone 6, the non-Pro version, this case will look different. And then if you want to get the Kunai Gamepad 3, then this is the case that you're gonna get. You can still use the AeroActive Cooler 6 because this back part here is completely, I don't know how to call this, but yeah, this entire cutout here is for the cooler to work properly with the phone. And then we also have yet another case. This is the official case for the AeroActive Cooler 6. It's pretty much the same as this included case, but the cutout is larger for us to fit in the cooler. So that's it. And then the last case here is the Devil Case Lite Guardian. This case is unique because it offers full protection while also offering you this transparent piece of plastic or glass, I don't know, to look at the beauty of the ROG Phone 6 Pro. However, you cannot use the fan accessories, so that is something that you will have to keep in consideration if you're gonna get this case. So that's it. That's all the official cases for the ROG Phone 6 Pro, officially from ASUS themselves. And if you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below. And we also have more ROG Phone 6 videos that you can check out at the end of this video. So we'll see you there.